commanders, comrades, nabahlali bonke basemalahleni. Yazi ngoJanuary kuvamile comrades that we get to see izinto the way they are. We get to realize ukuthi into ziyabheda straight emalahleni. You know, if there's anyone who would be voting for the ANC in this day and age, especially from la emalahleni, I don't know ukuthi ngiba disappointed or ngibize ngothi iyini lento leyo. When people still believe that the ANC will make anything better in South Africa. We've given the ANC a chance for more than 30 years. Where out of the 30 years, the best 9 years of that 30 years were the times of President Jacob Zuma. But in the eyes of the ANC, those were the 9 wasted years. But if you pay amehlo wakho, ubone ukuthi from the time ANC took power, what have we achieved? Sisuka kuma one room angana ma toilet, especially emalahleni ngazi kwesinye izindawo. Angana izindlela. Phase 4 nabo 10. Sisuka kulama one room lawo. Saya ku after uMandela enza ama one room anika abantu engana izindlela kana infrastructure. We were grateful because it was for the first time umuntu athola into half le 4 room. In fact ayina half a room, 4 room. It was one room ehlangene ne toilet kuyo konke lapha. So everyone was happy with at least there's something abantu abayitholile from government umuntu omnyama. We got to ezikolweni where there were no textbooks, there was no stationery because kwathiwa igovernment ANC ingena ayina mali, amabhunu ahambe nemali. Sabekezela. Kwaba ne government ka Thabo Mbeki, government eze nama RDPs amanye lapha 9. Ama RDP 9 namanye ama RDP lena eClarnet anganazi indlela na till today akunazi indlela in those RDPs. Till today akunama sewer system. All right, there's no infrastructure control amanzi. Ngikhuluma ngegovernment yaka Mbeki eze ne privatization. Wangena uZuma. In fact, between Mbeki and Mandela during that time, a lot of people died when the government of these two presidents could not do anything about issues of HIV and AIDS. We were only told about the beetroot. But during that time, we were burying people Monday to Monday. So those were the time of Mbeki no Mandela. Then came the time of President Jacob Zuma, where we saw infrastructure change. Kungasabi no minister department housing, department of human settlement. Where more pegama RDPs, you look from about Delmas, you look from about Ethernet, A6, A8. Those houses, there's roads, there's water, drainage systems, there's clinics, there's halls, there's izinsiza zomphakathi zikhona kulama RDPs akhiwe ulo president we9 West State years. We've seen the rolling out of antiretroviral medicine, ARVs being given to abantu baqala ukuphila. During the 9 West State years, we've seen people baphila impilo ende. During the 9 West State years. So, kulaba bangaboni umehluko phakathi kwesikhathi saka Mbeki, uMandela, uZuma, nalesikhathi samanje saka Ramaphosa, where every month ama companies ayavalwa. Kwa Ramaphosa loyo besine Coca-Cola beyenzwa la eWitbank Coca-Cola. La iFaro Bank. Yavalwa iFaro Bank. I Coca-Cola leyo eranwa yini ishanduka beverages. owner wobani uRamaphosa yavalwa. We've seen a lot of companies closing down during the times ya Ramaphosa. I-mine South 32 yavalwa, Middelburg mine yavalwa, iKlenkopi ivaliwe, kwaWisu plant lapha. I-mine eziningi izivaliwe. Inyanda, iPegasus ivalile. Kubi i-Transalloys nayo yavala ya-retrencher, i-Ferrometals ya-retrencher, Columbus ya-retrencher. Abantu basuswe lana bayise bosibonelo i-Anglo or sithungela i-retrenchile manje ngoDisemba kunabantu abaphelelwe umsebenzi. We've seen ama-queues wase-Department of Labour adraya ne-building ye-Department of Labour, abantu baphelelwe umsebenzi. So kule 9 West 8 years yakaZuma, yini ngitsheleni unyaka oyi-1 year of greatness yakaRamaphosa? Huh? We've not seen buildings of universities. We've seen Zuma build, revive Mpumalanga University, establish Mpumalanga University, nase Free State. We've seen iMidupi Power Station. We've seen Nikusile Power Station. Igezi yakhona sayibona. During Ramaphosa uvale iKomati Power Station without notice. Ramaphosa took 500 billion and his friends. The COVID bayidla. No single clinic was built in Mali COVID. No hospital was built in Mali COVID. Huh? Tell me what Ramaphosa has been doing for black people or black South Africans. For not black, all South Africans, whether you black or white, you Indian. We're all suffering under this leadership of Ramaphosa. So for anyone who's gonna claim to vote for ANC, vote for change, better life for all, there's nothing like that in this ANC. People are losing jobs every day. We are losing jobs every day under the leadership of Ramaphosa. Singabali Marikana, Singabali Ipalapala. So what is so great about this Ramaphosa of yours? So if we're gonna continue voting for the ANC, especially Malahleni, we must check after 5 years ukuthi Malahleni yobe sekuyi ghost town kangakanani. There's nothing better esikoyithola ku-ANC, comrades. The 9 West 8 years were the best years for South Africans, because the electricity being generated by Midupi and Eskom does not serve only the black people, it serves South Africans. The jobs created there, as much as when building it, there were also countries as in Nabantu. But after that, the power station here started Latina, you are the China South Africans. We've seen in Midupi, there's jobs being created there. How many jobs has Cyril Ramaphosa created? How many jobs has Ramaphosa created? So, Bantu Wasebe Malahleni, wake up. There's no good that you're going to get from the ANC. I'm telling you, nothing good is going to come from the ANC. Do not vote for the continuation of job losses and for the continuation of mine closures. Don't vote for that. Rather try something else. We've seen the work of Jacob Zuma. Let's try something else, comrade. Ngiyabonga abahlali baseMalahleni, ngiyabonga abahlali baSouth Africa. Don't vote for ANC. I submit. Out.